Hey guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mess. Today's video is a fall deep clean with me of my kitchen because I am getting ready to decorate for the holiday season. I love decorating for Christmas, so yes, I get started early, but before I start decorating, I just like to give everything in the house a really good deep clean, especially the kitchen. The kitchen is very greasy and just very dirty, and as much as we clean it, it needed a really good deep clean just to prep me for holiday decorating. So the reason I'm starting at the top of my cabinet is because I like to start, when I'm deep cleaning, I like to start from the top and get everything that could be dusty or dirty and then just work my way down. And also I like to decorate on the top of our cabinets, so I wanted to make sure that that was just really clean. And then I worked my way to the top of the refrigerator, which you can't really tell there, but you'll see how dusty this actually was. So to get this cleaned up, I actually love to use my end dust cleaner. And this, you'll see it just picked up all the dust really well on the top of the refrigerator. And sometimes I put decor up there, sometimes I don't, but in any case, I wanted to get it cleaned up. So with that same end dust spray, I went ahead and started dusting all of the decor that I took down from the cabinets, and I just wanted to give this a really good wipe down so that way come January when it's time to put it back up, it is already clean and I don't have to worry about it being grimy and dirty. So then it was time to start just cleaning off the cabinets and getting all of the splatters and everything that gets on there from cooking. So I wanted to make sure that those were really wiped down. And I ended up using my orange glow to wipe the cabinets down. And I actually preferred to use my Murphy's oil. So I ended up finishing this with the orange glow, but after cleaning cabinets, I feel like it was much more difficult to clean them with the orange glow. That was more, I think, of a polish rather than a soap. Like the Murphy's oil is like a wood soap, so definitely I would recommend the Murphy's oil. Then it was time to clean the oven because it hadn't been cleaned in months. So for this, I just went ahead and did a baking soda kind of like paste. So it was just baking soda and some water until you make it like a pasty, not runny, but it has to be kind of thick. And so I've done this before and I feel like it really works when it comes to cleaning my oven. And I actually let that sit overnight because I wanted it to really deep clean it. And then I started cleaning the backsplash, and for that I just used my Mrs. Meyer in the mum scent. Yes, I found the mum scent. And as far as fall scents, I love the scent. It smells beautiful. I love it. But to me it wasn't a fall scent per se, so I still prefer my apple cider for fall. But I cannot wait to try some of the Christmas scents that they have. I know they have a peppermint, but I don't know, and I think they have a snowdrop. I don't know if there are any other ones. So if you have a favorite Mrs. Meyer's Christmas scent, let me know down in the comments below, just so I know what to look out for when it comes out. But again, I did like the mum scent. Just for me, it wasn't really a fall scent, so definitely can't wait to try Christmas scents.
To a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you
then you can see that I started moving onto the appliances, and I just wanted to give everything a really good shine. And I had actually cleaned the microwave inside earlier in the week, so you won't see me cleaning that because it was already done. So at this point it was time to just clear off all of this counter and sink area. Pretty much everything I had taken down from the other side of the kitchen ended up here. It was the landing zone, and I had things that I needed to clean. I didn't really have a lot of dishes, but I did have a lot of the stuff that was at the top of the cabinet and at the top of the refrigerator. So I wanted to make sure that I got all of that cleaned up and got the counter cleared off. Then I went ahead and started sweeping and then getting the floors mopped up. And of course, I like to wipe down all of the doors in the kitchen. So that's the pantry door and then the door that leads into the laundry room. Now this was the next day because I wanted this baking soda to really sit and just do some deep cleaning, because the longer that you let it sit, the less you have to scrub when you're getting it cleaned up. So it really was, you can see I was cleaning it with a damp towel that I had soaked in vinegar and water, and that really just helped pick up all the baking soda. And I love how it came out. It looks clean and it is ready for baking season. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up so that I know that you guys liked it. And also, if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to stop and hit that red subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, because I have some Christmas videos coming up and you're not going to want to miss them. Until my next video, take care guys. See you in the next one.